In this video, I will share with you 5 very strange and at the same time very interesting Russian expressions that we use almost every day. I know that some foreigners, when they hear this kind of Russian expressions that I will share with you right now in this video, say like, what? What? Because these expressions are very illogical and at the same time very absurd sometimes. So if you're ready, let's go. First expression – наломать дров. Наломать дров. This phrase we use when you did something bad. Yes, in Russia and Belarus we like to chop wood because some people still hate stoves. Therefore, what's wrong? This phrase we use when you, for example, you did something bad, something stupid, and everyone needs to be redone. For example, young employee came to work in your company and at the first day this young employee made lots of mistakes and now he needs to correct these mistakes. In this situation, his director, his boss can tell him that «Ты наломал дров». «Ну ты наломал дров». It means that you did so much, lots of different mistakes and you did so very stupid deeds that we need to be redone right now. Наломать дров. Наломать дров. Next expression. Руки не доходят сделать это. This phrase means that, for example, we don't have enough free time to do something, or we don't have enough opportunity to do it. Когда ты починишь этот стол, не знаю, руки не доходят сделать это. Next expression. Не тяни кота за хвост. Why pull the cat by the tail? He's so cute, he's so beautiful. This phrase means that you do something very slowly and you need in this situation a little bit speed up. And in this situation, when we, for example, do something very slowly and you should speed up, your friend can tell you «Не тяни кота за хвост». «Не тяни кота за хвост». «Не тяни кота за хвост». «Почини стол». Ok. Now I will tell you a little rude Russian expression, but we use it really very often. And this expression sounds like this. Блестят, как у кота, яйца. And this expression translates into English like this. And I hope you understood what I meant. And more often this expression, this phrase use exactly the man, not woman. For example, a father asked his son to wash a car and this father asked his son to do it very well. And in this situation, this father can say this kind of phrase like «Помой машину, чтобы она блестела, как у кота яйца». Or for example, you showed windows in your apartment, in your house, and your father decided to praise you. Теперь окна блестят, как у кота яйца. But please, use this phrase, use this expression only with your friends, because this phrase is really very rude for strangers. Next expression. Руки в ноги и вперед. This expression we use when we, for example, can say that you should pick yourself up and move on right now. Or, for example, when someone asks you to do something right now and he insists to do it right now. Or, for example, when we're really very lazy and you do something very slowly and you should do it more quickly, more fast. For example, your child has made a mess in the room and doesn't want to clean up after himself. Father or mother can tell him «Руки в ноги и вперед». In the army, the commander orders his soldier to do something very urgently. «Руки в ноги и вперед». You forgot to buy milk at the store and your wife insists go back to the store and buy milk. Руки в ноги и вперед. Well, I hope you liked this video, you liked what I do on my channel, therefore please subscribe to my channel, put like and bye bye.